Hello students of 6th standard. Today we are going to have revision The Little Prince. Little Prince is a story written by Anthony de Saint-Exupéry. He writes that once when he was young, 6 years old, he had read in the Primal Forest book that and he had seen the picture of a boa constrictor. Boa constrictor. See, look at that. He had seen this picture swallowing a creature. And he was very happy. He wanted to draw this picture. So he drew the boa constrictor, a snake inside the stomach. The first drawing of his was this. See how it looks? The boa constrictor is lying down and in the stomach an elephant. He went to elders, showed them, they said okay. So he asked, are you not frightened? Elders told, why? Why you have to be frightened with a hat? It's a picture of the hat what you have drawn. He said, no. It is a boa constrictor. It is a boa constrictor. It has swallowed an elephant. He went back in the room, again drew the second picture, elephant very clear. He drew the picture very clear. And he came and showed, and they believed that boa constrictor has swallowed the creature, elephant, an animal. And he was little annoyed and he said, I have to explain grown-ups everything. They cannot understand my imagination and my drawing, what I want to say. So elders told him, who told you to do the artist way? Which you cannot explain, cannot do it. Leave that. Concentrate on the maths, geography, history and English grammar. That will be good help for you. As a little boy of 6 years, he agreed for it. Whatever elders said, he was small. He could not take for himself a decision. So what elders said, he obeyed. And he went and did his drawing, left the drawing and studied very well. Once he completed his studies, he became a pilot. He became a pilot, and he used to fly one country to another country his plane, and he was very happy because of geography. He was able to understand which place he is going or which place he is moving. Seeing one sea, after that what country comes, which country comes, where he is going and where he is come. Sometimes route is lost or missed, he knows where to find out the route because of his education in geography. He was very happy. One day he was coming back and he was totally alone. No passengers were there, no crew members, and his plane was, something went wrong in the plane and he was trying one hand to repair, one hand he was flying the plane, but he could not manage. He knows that no more flight will move. So it landed in the Sahara Desert. Once it was in the Sahara Desert, he did not know what to do because 1,000 miles, no living people were there. No living inhabitants were around. No water, nothing. He looked in his bag. There was some water which could go for one week. And he was happy, at least it is. He repaired tried to repair the plane, but he could not succeed so much and it was late night. He went and slept on the sand, looking at the stars in the sky open, because nowhere living people were there or animal, because no water is found in the desert. No fruits, nothing to eat, nothing. He was so tired and he slept. When the sunrise came morning, he heard a sound, very small voice, slowly, that if you please draw me a picture, a sheep. He looked something, whether he's dreaming or what is happening. Again he said, if it pleases you, please draw me a sheep. He got up, he cleaned his eyes, rubbed his eyes, and he saw very little fellow. And he was wondering, 1000 miles, no people are available, no living human people are here. And how this boy came? Boy is not even tired, no thirsty, no hungry. He looks very fresh and very nice. So he understood it is some superpower. Superpower means he could not disobey. So he tried to draw the picture. First he told him that I don't know drawing. I studied geography, history, maths and grammar. So he said, I don't know anything, please draw me a ship. That's all. So he showed his bow constructor to picture what he had drawn. He used to carry always wherever he goes. So he said, this is wonderful, but I don't want bow constructor. It is very big. Neither I want an elephant, because elephant is something very big, which I don't want it. Please draw me a ship. So he started to draw the ship. First ship, this is the little prince who had appeared. First ship he drew, and then little prince said, this is too old and sickly. I don't want this. This is too old. And then the prince again drew. Then he said, oh, this is very sick. And this is a ram. Ram means male sheep. I don't want. I want very small sheep which can live longer. And here the writer had some more work to do with the engine, and he wanted to open and repair it because he wanted to fly back to a place. So he drew a box. Look at it. He drew a box and he said, ship is inside. Look at it. It is small, what you like. And Prince liked this box. And he looked in it and he said, yes, not so small, but good, and it is sleeping. So he asked to writer, he said, do this sheep will have enough grass to eat? Because where I live is all small people, small creatures. So he said, yes, he will find somewhere enough grass to eat. This is what the way he accompanied this boy, talked to him, and he was very happy. He took the box and went. And narrator, the writer repaired his ship, a flight, and he also went. Antony de Saint-Exupéry was born in 1900 and died 1944. Was a French writer, poet, journalist, pilot. He is best known for his book Little Prince. Little Prince is his book, which is very famous, and he is well known for it. The story about friendship, innocence, loneliness and loss. He found that his friendship with the little prince, and he felt lonely, alone in the Sahara desert, and loss of people and friends. It is also one of the best-selling book of all the time, has been translated into numerous languages. This book is translated by people with the many numerous languages. Saint-Exupéry is also remembered for his two other books, namely Night Flight and Wind, Sand and Star. So he also wrote two books, which is night flight 1, second one is star, wind and sand. Thank you, children. If you have any doubt, please call on my mobile.